To change the pin for the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Kids app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting. Enter your current pin, tap change Samsung Kids pin, enter your current pin. Next, enter a new 4-digit pin number. Re-enter the pin to confirm it. As a note, this pin will be used to access the parental control menu and close the Kids app. Now go back to the Kids app main page. Tap the back key. Enter your new 4-digit pin number to close the app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.